happens when you go away for a month. Oh my God. I've been away for a month and I've come back to a heap of packages. Some of them are gifting and some of them are just the result of my online shopping. And there's a lot here, so I'm gonna try to get through it fast. This is what I've been most excited for. The palette that I use all the time is the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Modern Renaissance palette is like my go-to. Fall from Romance palette. Oh my God, stunning. I have a package from Estee Lauder. They've sent me the Advanced Night Repair range and it looks super luxe. This looks beautiful. What's this? Oral Health and Hygiene. Okay. I feel like they're trying to tell me something. Anna McAvoy has come out with Goldie B. It's like her new brand. It's an ultra fine face tanning mist. I'm super excited to try this out. I've actually never done like a face tanning mist, but I really want to do it because everybody looks like they've got like this really warm glow to their face, so I'm gonna give this one a try. Goodies from Jag. I'll probably do a try on haul at some point of these, but I'll open them up now. Linen pants, and it has like a brown stitching detail. A matching linen top, so this will match with those pants, but again, I think you could like easily pair it with anything else. This would be a good,
like work?
Yeah, like a work dress or like a weekend errands kind of dress. It's like a long maxi. This is like a button-up t-shirt, and then I have matching pants, and I feel like it'd be cute with like a little top or like a bralette worn open together. You really can't see the vision right now, but like it's very cute in real life, I swear to God. Got like a camel little cami top, like summer basic. Little bits from Post Prima Donna. Oh, how cute is that? And I like that it's like a little bit stretched. These little earrings, how cute are they? I feel like they're subtle enough to be worn every day, but it's kind of also a little bit of a statement earring. Okay, this next one is kind of iconic. It is a delivery from Tic Tac.
I ate one box of the Tic Tac. I stole one.
Ooh, were they good?
I had like a whole packet on a night out.
Oh,
I
that's
really wanted
random.
to, and then I was just so drunk, so I just
Sunday Somewhere. These are a sunglasses brand. I picked out some sunglasses from them. So cute. It has like a blue frame, which I thought was a little bit different. What do we think? Oh, it's really heavy. I'm like a fiend for a soft drink. Oh my God, they're all sugar-free drinks. Yes, this is a bit of me. They're so cute and like colorful. I ordered something from The Iconic. I have been eyeing a pair of the Tony Bianco slingbacks for a very long time, so I finally spoiled myself. I went with the pair with the gold hardware just because the other one, which has the like silver detailing, was really cute, but I'm more of a gold gal, so I thought these would just go with more. Little gift from Benefit, a little tea on it. Pop up on some of my favorites is the Fluff Up Brow Wax, the Highbrow Pencil, and then also the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Fun Day Sweets, which have like a range of sugar-free lollies. We got a package. I'm just saying we, like we're married.
I ate most of them.
We hope you enjoy our new strawberry and cream gummies. Oh my God, I love strawberry and cream. This is actually a cute hat. I feel like I'll actually wear this. Oh, I got a candle as well. I was wondering why it smells so good in here. Oh, I can't wait to try these ones. I might do this separately in like a taste test video because I love these. Oh my God, I forgot I got some shirts as well from Grey Lines, and they're just too iconic not to show you. First t-shirt, I'll get over it, but I've got to be dramatic first. Why is that me? Also iconic, Tired Girl Summer. Thank you for coming to my little haul. I now have to go clean up the wreckage that I've left in its path. See you in the next haul, although you'll probably never get another haul like this because I'm the kind of person that just rips open the package as soon as it comes to me. So I hope you like this one.